Alright, Tony. This is the contraption that is want you to see the bottom here. The bottom, the right plate that you see is the single plate. That's the single plate. And then this is a one plate, and then there's another plate right here. Now I'll zoom into the top after I power up. I want to show you how fast this one powers up here. This is just a Ryobi 18 volt. All right, here we go. Here it is. I hope you can still see that. Positive, negative. There it is. Look at that thing go. Now I wish I could can see how fast the entire thing is just full. I mean, it's completely full of it. I don't think we've ever had that much amountage coming out. But it's almost like this is exactly what they're talking about with the organ. The water can physically not give any more oxygen and hydrogen out. So it's just completely clusterfucked in there, and there's nowhere for any of it to go. I mean, from where I'm standing, where there's a pretty decent seal between the plastic bottle and the piece of black plastic between them, there's bubbles ramming through there even. I mean, how long have I had this thing on here? 30 seconds? And the entire thing is just caked with bubbles. And so like I said, if I could show you the top somehow. I'll show you the top. Oh. You can see that the top on the right side with both of the electrodes are, it's actually bubbling over the top. But then if you come to this side, it's calm, but yet it's still giving off a sufficient amount. I mean, almost half the bottle is definitely full, that's for sure. But you can see right there that it wants to fucking just go. And I think that it's a great setup so far, but it needs, like we said, a little bit different power source. But you can see the thing is emitting quite a bit with the very minimal amount of metal that's actually doing the trick, and especially minimal amount of water. I mean, only the bottom third isn't cloudy by now, and it's been probably a minute. So that's that. And if you notice, I'll take off the power now. Okay, power's off. And these bubbles will stay here for a pretty decent time compared to most of the experiments we've had. I mean, there's still bubbles come up to the surface, obviously, but the water stays ridiculously, opaque for the condition. And there's a little like water tension at the top, just like they were talking about, almost like it's glue at the top. Almost can see it stick. So, but I mean, everything's not perfect. That gap is a little off because the metal's bent. It's real nice over here like it should be. And I'll pull her out and show you this real quick. There she is. I know that the wire nuts are a little hack, but you can see how everything is real mint sitting on there. See that? Everything is fucking sturdy, not going anywhere. That's for sure. And that's that. So I just wanted to show you what we were dealing with. And pretty basic. I mean, if you think about it, this is a very small amount of room. I mean, a battery, you could stick, I don't know, 6 of these things in a battery-sized compartment, and imagine the amount that would be pouring off. Even, go ahead, honey. I mean, imagine the amount that would pour off. I mean, look at the thing. It's no more than 2.5 inches thick. And it's just, it's working beautifully, in my opinion. I mean, look at the thing. Everything fits in there nice and snug. There's no going around anywhere. I mean, maybe it has 3/16 of play. So it's got barely any play for a little hack job setup, you know. So, and there's those little acorns, the little acorn nuts. You can see I got the, those are threaded, and then there's a spacer, and then there's the acorn nut over the top of that. And I'll try to show you from the top here what it looks like, how fast the bubbles come up, and then I'll turn off the camera. I'll see if I can, I was thinking about biting it. Maybe I can bite the string. See where that goes. Let's hang on. And I'll get her. Okay. Instantly. Good amounts. And from what I've been hearing on the internet and stuff, the more you charge the water, the faster the bubbles will come. So I mean, when you first put the new water in, it doesn't go as well. But when you keep roasting it, it loves you. And I'm gonna hook up the rest of the contraption and take another video. Maybe see if I can find a balloon and see what I can fill up. But I just wanted to show you this. There you go. Bye.